This is an application that is being designed by a research lab that is working on using VR for studying human perception and human factor and psychology. Obviously, VR is very interesting when you want to conduct this kind of research on human perception because it's quite easy to create virtual environment and have people walk inside this environment and being subject to some emotions. And it's being proved, there are conferences, there's lots of publication on this topic. VR is able to trigger similar emotions and phobias and all kind of psychological reactions in virtual, and very similar to what you can find in real. So in this environment, it's a first stage, I guess, for then conducting some studies, and especially on how you can trigger emotions using virtual environments. And here, I guess you can switch between two kind of atmospheres, and one is more terrifying, like this one. The sounds and the images and different factors are more stressful than the previous one. So I think the further studies of this experiment is to create questionnaires and also to measure biometric elements of the person doing the experiment to see how much stress or different kind of reaction has been triggered during the experiment. And usually it's being done in conjunction with some kind of gaming, or where you're giving the people some kind of task where they have to find something, do something, so they are not just focusing on what you're standing at, but there is some indirect studies of their emotions through a kind of gaming. This is using Virtools as well. It's a very good way.